History of Santa Claus 1. The Legend of St. Nicholas. Discover how a kind bishop named St. Nicholas inspired the legend of Santa Claus. 2. Santa around the world. Did you know Santa has different names worldwide? Meet Sinterklaas, Père Noël, and more. 3. Why does Santa wear red? Explore how Santa's red suit became his signature look. 4. How Santa got his sleigh. From reindeer to magical sleighs, find out how Santa delivers gifts so fast. 5. The history of Santa's workshop. Ever wonder where Santa's toys come from? Take a tour of his magical workshop. 6. The origin of the naughty and nice list. How did Santa start keeping track of who's naughty or nice? Let's find out. 7. Santa's magical reindeer. Meet Rudolph and the rest of Santa's flying team and learn how they got their jobs. 8. How Santa became a gift giver. Why does Santa give presents? Discover the tradition of generosity behind the legend. 9. The Coca-Cola Santa transformation. How did Coca-Cola help create the modern image of Santa Claus? Let's explore. 10. Santa's first appearance in literature. When did Santa first appear in stories? Travel back to the poem, "'Twas the Night Before Christmas." 11. Santa in pop culture. From movies to music, explore Santa's role in modern entertainment. 12. The mystery of Santa's chimney magic. How does Santa fit down the chimney? The answer might surprise you. 13. Santa's elves, the real MVPs. Meet Santa's hardworking helpers, his cheerful team of toy-making elves. 14. Santa Claus in snowy lands. Ever wonder why Santa lives at the North Pole? Let's uncover the mystery. 15. How Santa delivers gifts worldwide. How does Santa visit every home in one night? Explore his magical secrets. 16. The evolution of Santa's image. From a thin, solemn figure to a jolly man, how Santa's look changed over centuries. 17. The connection between Santa and Christmas trees. What does Santa have to do with decorating Christmas trees? Let's find out. 18. Santa's mail, letters from kids. Where do all the letters to Santa go? Take a look at his magical post office. 19. Is Santa real? A heartwarming message. Santa represents the magic of kindness and giving. What does he mean to you? 20. Santa's impact on Christmas traditions. How did Santa become the symbol of Christmas joy? Let's explore his lasting legacy.